Let's try one last one together. We have 275 divided by 9. Set up whichever strategy you prefer. If you do area model, set up your place values. Put your 9 on the side, your 275 on the inside. If you need, use your multiplication chart, or remember you always have your 9 times tables on your hands. And then our steps. Does McDonald's sell real cheese? Divide, multiply, subtract, repeat back to division, and check. Which place value are we going to start in? Yeah, the hundreds place. If we have 2 babies and 9 people, how many babies would each person get? Or look at your 9 times tables and see what's the closest we can get to 2 without going over. I notice that I can't have, they can't divide up the babies at all. Everyone would get 0. So if you're doing area model, put your 0, multiply your zeros, because 0 times 9 is 0. When you subtract, you still have 275. Now we know from area model that we are in the tens place. But over here, we're just going to scoot over and use the tens place along with the hundreds place because we had some left over. So let's divide 27 babies and 9 people. Well, if I look at my 9 times tables, 27 is the closest I could get. I skip counted 3 times to get there. But remember, we're in the tens place, so really that is worth 30. 9, well, let's move on to our next multiplication. 9 times 3 is 27, plus a 0 gives us 270. When we subtract, that would leave us over with 5. So if you do area model, bring your 5 into your next box. What step are we on? Repeat, back to division. So now we have 5 babies and 9 people. How many babies would they each get? They would each get 0, because the closest I can get to 5 without going over is 0, because 9 is too many. Then let's multiply. 0 times 9 is 0. Then we subtract. 5 minus 0 is still 5. Then we would repeat. Do we have any place values left to repeat with? No, because we just did the ones place. That means we're on to check. Is 5 smaller than 9? Sure is. That means it's our remainder. Our answer comes from right up here. Now if you're looking at area model, do we need this first 0? No, because it doesn't have any value. So then we would just do 30 plus 0, or if you're doing partial quotient, we know that we have a 3 in the tens place and a 0 in the ones place, giving us 30 with a remainder of 5.